Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with my sister and we're doing this really cute coquette ribbon bow vibes type nail set today. This is our inspiration. Shout out to this creator on Pinterest. I'll have it linked below in the description. I did adjust the length though for my sister's desire, but still the same vibes. I'm starting off with this Mamita gel polish. I will have every color and item in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself, but I just start off with cutting her nails to the length that she wants. I did keep them a little bit long though, just so I have extra room to file and shape, just so I get that really nice crisp square shape at the end. Sometimes when I use my nail cutter, it makes the line a little bit off-centered, so I just go back in to file it really quick to get that nice square shape before we start layering on the gel polish. Then I go in to brush off the excess dust, and typically I wipe down her nails with acetone or nail polish remover just to get rid of the shine, and I feel like it lets the nail polish really stick on right. I find that rounded cuticle bits work really well to get rid of the skin around your cuticle, and it helps make that gel X tip flesh into the nail. So that's what I'm doing. Then I go underneath the nail and start to clean up any spillage that could have happened from using the nail glue to adhere the gel X tips to her finger. I think that this just makes the application look so much cleaner. It's not a necessary step, but I like to do it now. I think it's also more comfortable for my sister. So I'm starting to put on the first layer of the gel polish, and I'm making sure to be really careful because honestly, when you paint inside of the lines, the final product just looks so much better. So even starting from this first layer, I'm making sure to clean up any spilled polish that might end up on her fingers or around her cuticle. And it's just important that you start this from the very first layer. That way every layer that you build on follows that same shape and it just looks flawless. After that first layer is done, we're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Now it's on to the second layer, and I'm super extra, so I did up to 3 layers, but it's completely up to you. I just prefer the way that it looks. It's giving opaque but also pigmented, so that's why I do up to 3 layers. Now it's time to create the French tip. So I do have a detailed tutorial on this on my channel, but usually I'll just draw like how deep I want the French tip to go, and then I'll start carving it out with either acetone or nail polish remover. So that's what I'm going to do to her hands to start off with. After I get the shape right, I'll cure each nail for 30 seconds. I like to cure the entire hand for 60 seconds at the end, just to make sure that the design is secured. And this is how the little Frenchies look. So classic. I'm going to go in with the Amelie base coat and top coat. I'm using their no wipe top coat to seal the design in. I'm going to cure it for an additional 60 seconds after. I've used this nail charm set before on my channel. It's from Amazon and it will be linked below, but last time I used the pearls. It comes with this gel glue, but last time I used the pearls, and this time I'm going to be using the little ribbons that they come with. There's just an assortment of things that you can use. The pearls are actually two different designs. One of them is shiny and the other one is more matte. It also comes with a little pencil and tweezers, which come in super handy for putting the gems on. So to start off, I chose the fingers that I want to have the little pink ribbons on, and I put a little dot, usually like I would say, what is that, at the little curve, the little apex of the nail. That's where I'm placing the ribbons. It's up to you if you want it higher or lower, but I am going for that look. So after I place the glue, I will carefully place the ribbons on top of where I want them, and then just really mess around with the location of it. So I'll use the tweezers to move it up and down or to the side before I cure those specific fingers for 30 seconds. Now back to the pearls. So for this look I decided to go with the matte versions of the pearls, and I wish that it had sizes on the bags, but I don't know what size it was. I kind of messed around with smaller ones and larger ones and just decided on ones that looked better on her fingers. So then I went around with the nail glue like around the curve, the smile of the French tip, and then I'm using the little pencil to help me grab the rhinestones or the little pearls and put them around the entire nail. Another tip I have for a flawless set is to clean up the rhinestone glue, the excess glue that is around that smile line. I think it just alleviates the bumpy look of it and just makes everything look smooth. So my camera died while I was trying to finish up that hand, so I'll show you guys what I did on this other hand. Basically, after I put the pearls around her smile line of her French tip, we cured it for 30 seconds and that's it. You don't need to go back and cure the entire hand because we already did that with the French tip design. So once you have your charms on, you're good to go. I ran out of the pearls when I was trying to finish up this hand, so I decided to take another set of pearls that I got also from Amazon and also will be linked below to finish up this hand. That way I would be able to keep everything the same size and it just wouldn't look wonky, you know? And this is the final set. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think this is the cutest set I've ever seen, and it was really not that hard to do. So if you try it out, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!